Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best rotary laser levels that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Topcon RL H5A Self-Leveling Rotary Laser. The Topcon RL H5A Self-Leveling Rotary Laser is a multi-purpose laser perfect for grading, excavating, and general construction projects. Its electronic self-leveling feature allows you to start working in seconds, and it can re-level itself automatically if disturbed. With an IP66 rating, it can withstand dust, sudden showers, and even torrential rainfall. This instrument is accurate to arc seconds and has a long range of up to 800 meters, making it ideal for covering large job sites. The kit includes the RL H5A laser, LS80L or LS100D sensor, and a carry case. Moving on, at number 4, we have the BOSCH Revolve 900 GRL 900 20 HVK Rotary Laser Kit. The BOSCH Revolve 900 GRL 900 20 HVK Rotary Laser Kit is a comprehensive kit that includes a rotary laser, laser receiver, remote control, head unit case, 8F, grade rod, wall mount, laser glasses, target card, and hard carrying case. This kit is perfect for multiple horizontal applications such as site preparation, stakeout for pouring concrete foundations, slabs, setting concrete forms for commercial or large residential construction, underground utility work including plumbing and more. It also provides a vertical beam and 90-meter point for wall layout, framing, windows and door installation, stud framing and more. The kit is easy to set up and use on the job with electronic, self-leveling, and disturbance monitor. It delivers 1% in accuracy at 100 feet for confidence in the job setup. At number 3, we have the VEVOR Rotary Laser Level 1650F. The VEVOR Rotary Laser Level offers exceptional accuracy with its 360-degree rotating scanning feature, perfect for leveling and alignment on various job sites. With a working distance of 1,650 feet, you can easily measure and mark points, even in bright conditions, thanks to the included laser detector and protective eyewear. The rechargeable battery ensures you can work for 8 to 12 hours without interruptions, so you can focus on your tasks. Built with durable, waterproof materials, this tool is designed for tough environments, giving you confidence in its performance wherever you need it. At number 2, we have the Spectra Precision LL100N2 Rotary Laser Kit. The Spectra LL100N Rotary Laser is built tough to handle the rough conditions of your job site, with a durable design that can survive drops and tripod falls. It automatically levels itself within a 5-degree range and provides precise measurements with an accuracy of 1/18 inch at 100 feet, helping you get your work done right the first time. The included HR3/20 receiver enhances your experience by offering clear grade settings, easy-to-read dual LCD screens, and a loud beeper to make finding the laser beam simple, even in noisy environments. Plus, the receiver is sealed against dust and water, so it keeps performing well in tough weather. This full kit comes ready to use with all necessary tools and a sturdy carrying case. And finally, at number 1, we have the ZIPLEVEL Pro 2030B Altimeter. The ZIPLEVEL Pro 2030B is a precise altimeter designed to give you accurate elevation readings without needing a direct line of sight. This means you can measure levels even in tricky or obstructed areas with ease. You won't have to worry about recalibrating it, as it maintains its accuracy without factory adjustments. The backlit digital display shows your measurements clearly, so you don't have to do any math to understand the results. Plus, it includes 20 built-in functions with audio signals and Bluetooth connectivity, making it easy to use and connect with the SmartLink app for added convenience. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.